Welcome to Tampo, the smart, intuitive task management app designed to help teams collaborate seamlessly and stay productive. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create a task and manage it efficiently inside Tampo. To begin, navigate to Your Project and tap Add Task. Give your task a clear title, for example, App Launching. Stay within the current project, or tap New Project to switch. Search for your desired project and tap Add to link the task. Next, tap on Status and choose the current status of your task, such as In Progress or To Do. Tap Done to confirm. Select the priority level. In this case, we'll choose Moderate. Now, assign the task to a member of your team. Tap on Due Date to select the deadline and set both the date and time. Now move to Advanced Options. Under Advanced Options, you can add a detailed description, record voice notes, upload relevant attachments. Once everything is ready, tap Add Task. Back in the project view, tap on your task to explore more settings. Here, you can modify the initial details or mark the task as complete once it's done. Head over to the Action Points panel. Tap Add Action Point, task or note, and confirm by tapping Add. You can add as many action points as needed. Tap the three dots next to any action point to edit, delete, or copy it. Now move to the Comments panel. Here, you can collaborate seamlessly with your team. Write a comment, attach documents, add voice notes. Now, for more settings, tap on Comment. Here you can reply to the comment. Tap the three dots to edit, delete, like, reply, or copy. And that's it. You've successfully created and managed a task in Tampo. Ready to get started? Download Tampo today. Stay productive. Stay in sync. Tampo. Manage, assign, collaborate.